Pygame, can someone help me implement double jumping? I know there are already other posts about this out there, but my movement system is a little from the ones that I have found, so subsequently I am asking this question. My movement system is based on a named tuple called move up, left, right, down, then there is this. I tried adding a fifth variable to the tuple called up, and when that was called it would trigger another jump, regardless of if on_ground was true or not. To trigger it I used this in the event loop. But this didn't work well at all. Anyone got any suggestions?
You have to maintain some kind of state to keep track of which phase of jumping you're in. These phases are: on ground, you jump, jump button pressed, jumping and in midair, jump button released, double jump, jump button pressed again. So you should be able to do something like you'll get the idea.
If you want to see more,